Most cyclists waste up to 30% of their energy the moment they stand up on a climb, simply because they move their body instead of the bike. Standing on the pedals is heavily misunderstood. The mistake most people make is swaying their head and shoulders side to side. You actually want your body centered while the bike rocks underneath you. Keep your hands on the hoods for leverage with an open chest. Crucially, your hips must stay directly over the bottom bracket. If your hips sit too far back, you're honking, pushing the bike forward instead of driving power down. Proper standing should feel like a series of controlled falls. As your right foot pushes down, your left hand pulls the bar. Use your body weight to drop onto the pedal. So when should you actually stand? I reserve it for steep kicks above 10% where seated cadence drops below 60, short sharp accelerations, or a 20-second rhythm break every few minutes to relieve saddle pressure. Here is the caveat. Do not stand on sustained, moderate grades where you can happily spin at 70+ RPM. It looks cool on camera, but supporting your own body weight burns significantly more oxygen. Stay seated unless gravity forces your hand. The most common error is standing up in your seated gear. Standing cadence is naturally 5 to 10 RPM lower. If you don't shift up 1 or 2 gears as you stand, your cadence spikes and you waste the transition. It must be simultaneous. Shift up right as you rise smoothly. Let the bike slide back slightly between your legs. When you sit, shift down and maintain pedal pressure to keep momentum. 2 quick checks. First, don't lock your elbows. Straight arms transfer road vibration to your shoulders. Second, look 15 meters ahead. Dropping your head kills your balance and constricts your breathing. For intermediate riders looking to close a gap or crest a steep ramp, we use the out-of-the-saddle attack. Shift up 2 gears, stand, and punch it at 120 to 150% of your FTP for 10 to 20 seconds. It's devastatingly effective, but a warning from experience. It burns a massive amount of matches. Use it sparingly. If the attack fails and you sit down in the red, you are in trouble. To master this, find a 1-kilometer climb at about 6 to 8%. Ride it 4 times, all seated, all standing, alternating 30 seconds each. And finally, riding naturally, standing only when it feels necessary. Compare your times and heart rates. Most riders are shocked to find that the 4th, natural method is actually their fastest time with the lowest heart rate. That is your ultimate sweet spot. Master the transition, save your energy, and ride safe.